Hello, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about Python expressions. Expression is a representation of value. Any string is also an expression. It represents the value of the string as well. An expression is a combination of operators, operands that is interpreted to produce some other value. In any programming language, an expression is evaluated as per the precedence of its operators. So that if there is more than one operator in an expression, their precedence decides which operation will be performed first. We have many different types of expressions in Python. See, this is a constant expression. X is equal to 15 plus 1.3. Print x, it gives constant value. This is called constant expression. Next, operators plus, minus, multiplication, division, quotient and remainder. X is equal to 40, y is equal to 12, add is equal to x plus y, subtract is sub is equal to x minus y. 4 variables are there for multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. We have to assign the value x is equal to 14, y is equal to 12. Then print, add, it will give the print of two numbers. Subtraction of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, and then division of two numbers. Then next, integer expressions, integral expressions. These are the kind of expressions that produce only integer results after all computations and type conversions. Means a is equal to 13, it is an integer, and b is equal to 12.0. c is equal to a plus integer of b, because it is not integer, therefore we have to convert the data type into integer. Then print c, it is called integral expressions. Type conversions we have to use here. Then it gives integer result. Floating expressions you can convert. These are the kind of expressions which produce floating point number as result. A is equal to 13, b is equal to 5, c is equal to a by b. Print c, it gives 2.6, that is a floating number. Relational expressions. In these expressions, arithmetic expressions are written on both sides of relational operator. Those arithmetic expressions are evaluated first and then compared as per relational operator and produce a Boolean output in the end. These expressions are also called Boolean expressions. Boolean means it gives result true or false. Here a is equal to 21, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 40, d is equal to 37. P is equal to a plus b greater than equal to c minus d. It gives a plus b is greater than equal to c minus d. Relational expressions. Suppose if you execute this, it checks a plus b, 3 plus 1, 4, 34, and c minus d, it gives 3. Therefore 34 is greater than c minus d. Therefore it gives, if the condition is true, then it gives true. Print p, true, because a plus b is greater than c minus d. These are the relational expressions: greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to. These are the operators, relational operators. Logical expression. First, here relational expression is, arithmetic expression is solved here. First you have to solve a plus b and this c minus d and then apply relational operator on that. Here logical expressions. Suppose these are kind of expressions that result in either true or false. It basically specifies one or more conditions. Example is equal to 10 is equal to 9, 10 is equal to 9. If it is not correct, so it will return false. P and Q returns true if both P and Q are true, otherwise return false. Or P or Q, it returns true if at least one of P and Q is true, not P. It returns true if condition P is false. P is equal to 10 is equal to 9, Q is equal to 7 greater than 5. Logical expressions. R is equal to P and Q. P or Q and T is equal to not P. Then print R. What is the value of P and Q? P is a 10 and Q, it is true and it is true. Therefore logical expressions P and Q, if both are true, then it gives true result, otherwise it gives false result. P and Q, it returns true if both P and Q are true, otherwise returns false. Means 10 is equal to 9, it is not correct, therefore it gives false, and it gives true. Therefore both are not true, therefore it gives false result here. Then P or Q means one condition, only one condition is satisfied, then it will give true. Suppose P or Q means this is the satisfied condition, therefore it gives true. Not P, T is equal to not P, it gives it is a false, therefore it gives true condition for not P. Then bitwise of expressions. Computations are performed at bit level. A is equal to 12, X is equal to A greater than 2, and Y is equal to bitwise and A less than 1. Therefore print X comma Y. It gives 3 and 24. Here combinational expressions. A is equal to 16, B is equal to 12, A plus B greater than 1, A plus bitwise 1, then it gives print C, it will give 22. Like that different expressions are there, bitwise, combinational and multiple operators in expressions. Here multiple operators are there, and according to operator precedence it execute the expression 10 plus 3 into 4. It first calculates 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4, it is a 12, and 10 plus 12 is equal to 22, therefore it gives 22 result. It gives 10 plus 3 into 4, first it calculates parenthesis 13 into 4, it gives 52 result, and then 10 plus 3 into 4, it first precedence is a parenthesis, therefore it calculates 3 into 4 and plus 22. Like that various expressions are evaluated in Python. Constant expression, arithmetic expression, integral expression, floating expression, relational expression, and then bitwise expressions, combinational expressions, multiple operators in expressions. I hope you understood all these concepts. I have not explained bitwise and combinational expression. This is the assignment for you to study bitwise and combinational. Thank you.